Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Girl Sketch easy. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental structure of your drawing. Using light lines, create a basic oval for the head and a simple torso shape. These initial shapes are crucial for setting up correct proportions and ensuring your sketch looks balanced from the start. Don't press too hard, as these are just guides. Next, let's bring the face to life. Use your guidelines to accurately place the eyes, nose, and mouth. Remember that eyes are typically about halfway down the head. Think about the flow and volume of the hair, sketching it in large sections before refining. A slight curve to the lips or a raised eyebrow can add personality. Now let's move to the body and clothing. Start with basic shapes for the torso, hips, and limbs, ensuring correct proportions. A common guideline is that the body is about 7.5 heads tall. When adding clothes, let them follow the underlying form of the body. Observe how fabric drapes and creates natural folds, adding depth to your sketch. Finally, it's time for refining and adding those finishing touches. Gently erase any construction lines that are no longer needed, cleaning up your drawing. Introduce shading to give your sketch a three-dimensional quality, paying attention to light sources. A few well-placed highlights can truly make your girl sketch easy and visually appealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.